These turned out beautifully. Let's get these guys off. Let's get this printer going because I know one messed up in the back and I don't want to leave without seeing that one. I'm very confident this one will do just fine. That one, I'd rather not mess up. So let's get these pulled off. Have another set going. Get 85X up and running today with these designs. That should be the final batch, this last section here, and then we'll get some more other ones to design and up and printing. All right, we're gonna pull these guys off the build plates. We got some more finished. We're literally getting these guys packed up this morning. A couple of these other things too, these dragons and things like that. Some of the beetles, some more of these robot guys. Just a couple more things to bring to today's market. Well, I kind of just answered it. We're going to a market today, so let's get that done. Alright, so with today's market, we have a little bit of specialty. So as you guys know, we were requested to see how megafigs do here. There has been some definite interest in those megafigs. So we're going to document every time we sell one of those specifically today, along with our normal as well. So I do have my microphone set up, so we're going to pick up with the microphones too. So one of the other things that are on today's agenda is taking Broly to baseball, his baseball game. So we're still debating on who's going to go for that. It really depends on how Mama Bear feels, because she's not feeling so good right now. So might be good for her to stay. And we'll see. But we're all set up. We did have a late start today. We are officially all set up as 1:30. We'll be here all day today till 9. And yeah, it'll be fun. So I had a nice little pop, had a couple sales. We had some bones that sold. The first item we sold of the day was a cat dragon, which was one of our biggest dragons we have. And a couple little items. We sold a jumbo rose spinner. We've had some interest in the megafigs, but nobody has purchased one just yet. And we are 3:30 so far, and we're gonna be here till about 8 or 9. So we've still got some time. Let's see what happens and what unfolds. Amanda is taking Broly to the baseball game right now. And of course, as soon as one of us leaves, what always ends up happening is pops and sales happen when one of us leaves to go do something. We're doing pretty good today. So we've had several pops throughout the time that Amanda has been at the baseball game. She's on her way back now. I think we're at like 160, 170, somewhere around there. But yeah, I just loaded up the baby peeps with the astronauts that we've had stockpiled for like the last year, because we need to get those out of here. Isabel's going to show you them.
All of them.
All the different color variations we've had for a while.
A long time.
You can show them those, and that should be good.
So we got a white astronaut, a black astronaut, a red astronaut, and one little blue one.
And an orange.
Yeah. And an orange.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. Amanda's on the way back, and we have about 4 hours left. Pretty good day. Me and Isabella are on a little lunch break.
Yep.
About to also get some social media stuff done real quick for work as well. So yeah. Alright, so probably the final update for tonight, but we sold Deadpool and we sold Miles Morales. that's pretty much going to be tonight's last sales. Amanda's with her friend right now, so I'm about to start wrapping things up. But not a bad day. Those last two made it to where it was our average in just those last two sales, because it was two brothers. So that was pretty cool. All right, so we are wrapping up the markets. Let's actually get the total number for today while we're still at the market, so I don't forget. Because literally, I'm going to edit this tomorrow and get it done and upload it for you guys to be back on track.
I cannot wait until y'all get to see this, what y'all are seeing right now. So, yeah. Love y'all.
All right, so we're ending the day with a total of $238.50, and we made 14 sales today. So not too bad, but let's go ahead and get packed up because we also do have to go to Walmart to get some things.
Fine.
And let's get the time lapse going. It's actually the following day. I wanted to add one last note. Literally, we had a last minute sale that ended up selling two more of the mega figs. We sold the Ninjago and we sold Doom. So that ended up pretty good. Ended up giving us a $300 day, so really good success. But as I'm getting back on track with the content on trying to post them on Saturday or Sunday, we got to get this one up right now. Editing it on Sunday, getting things going, and really good day at the market. It was very slow majority of the days. Those mega fix came to save the day, and we'll catch y'all next week with some more 3D printing vlogs. Bye guys. Oh, and make sure you guys subscribe. If you made it this far in the video and haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's very much appreciated. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Bye guys.